Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Next case is cause number 321464. Case is style State of Texas versus Bobby L. Gonzalez or Bobby Leanne Vinson. Ms. Gonzalez, your full name is Bobby L. Gonzalez.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Gonzalez, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Gonzalez, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Gonzalez, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Gonzalez?
All right.
That's good. Ms. Gonzalez, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Joel Vasquez. Attorney Vasquez, do you waive a record in Ms. Gonzalez's case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Vasquez, pursuant to, now, Mr. Vasquez, do you have a copy? Did you receive a copy of the assessment that was done in Ms. Gonzalez's case?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Johnson, did you receive a copy of the assessment that was performed in Ms. Gonzalez's case?
I did, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, pursuant to Article 1.24, the proceedings and trials in all courts shall be public. However, pursuant to Lilly versus State, 365 Southwest 3rd, 321, the right to a public trial is not absolute and may be outweighed by other competing rights and interests, such as interest in security, preventing non-disclosure of non-public information, or ensuring that the defendant receives a fair trial. Mr. Vasquez, are you asking that this proceeding be closed to the public to prevent the disclosure of non-public information that is contained in the assessment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, at this time, the court finds that the party seeking to close the hearing has advanced an overriding interest that is likely to prejudice the defendant, and the closure is no broader than necessary to protect the interests of the defendant. And the trial court has considered other reasonable alternatives to closing the proceeding. And the court made these findings, and these findings are adequate to support the closure of this hearing. So at this time, this hearing will be closed. This portion of the proceedings will be closed to the public.